Hey everyone, this is Jordy. Today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and first impression of the Microsoft Surface Mobile Mouse. So as you can see here, I have the blue one. It also comes in burgundy and silver. These came out around the same time as the Surface Go, so they come in matching colors, which is pretty nice. So I'm just going to open this up, and we have the mouse here. It's a nice soft plastic. It has a metal scroll wheel, the blue light sensor, Bluetooth button, and a magnetic battery door. In the box we also have a quick start guide and some warranty info. So I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to go ahead and get this connected to my computer, and then I will show you how it works. Okay, so I went ahead and connected this to my Surface laptop here, and the process is pretty simple and straightforward. You basically just go into the Bluetooth settings and click on the mouse and you're good to go. So as you can see here, the cursor movement is really nice and accurate. The scrolling is also really smooth. And I have a placemat here, so you can see that if you want to use it on fabric surface, like if you're sitting on a couch or something, it also works really well. So I just wanted to show you, because something I noticed is that the clicking on this mouse is really nice, and it's more of a soft click, so it just feels really nice to use. As opposed to something like this, which is just a cheap little Logitech mouse. You can hear that it's really plasticky and clicky, so it just doesn't feel as good to use. Another good thing about this mouse is that it's Bluetooth, so if you're using a Surface device, you know that it only has one USB port. So you're definitely going to want to use a Bluetooth mouse on something like that, because you don't want to be using your only USB port for a mouse receiver. So one last thing that I wanted to show you as well is that if you want to carry this mouse around with you, it is called the mobile mouse, so it's really nice. It fits in just about anything. As you can see here, I have it in this little laptop bag, and the footprint is not very big. It doesn't take up much additional space. So if you're looking for something that you can take with you to school or work, then I really think this is a good mouse, because it's going to fit basically anywhere. If you're looking for something that you want to use for longer periods of time, or you want to use for a desktop, then I would probably recommend going with something a little larger and more comfortable. But for what it is, I really think this is a good product. So this is my first video, and I want to thank you for watching. If you have any other ideas on things that you'd like me to review, then just let me know in the comments and I will try to get to it. Alright, thank you so much.